Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram on your iPhone or Android. Now open up the Instagram app, again on your iPhone or Android, and let's first just tap on the profile button at the very bottom right. After you've tapped on that profile button, we need to get to your settings. So at the top right, let's tap on those three lines. And you'll be able to see we're in your settings. Depending on if you're on an iPhone or an Android and which model you have, you could enable or disable dark mode in the settings of Instagram. And I'll show you how to do it if it's not in here. But we're going to scroll down towards the bottom. You can see your app and media, and midway down is accessibility. You can tap on accessibility, and depending on your phone, you might be able to see the option that says turn on dark mode. But you can see in this case, it just says reduce motion, HDR, etc. It doesn't show that here on my iPhone. A lot of Androids show it in here. If it does, just toggle it on. However, if you still don't find it in there, you can always just head into the settings app of your iPhone. And then we're going to go down from here and we can just go to display and brightness, which allows us to turn on dark mode. Here you can see at the very top is light and dark mode. I can switch over to dark mode. And if I hop back into Instagram here, you'll be able to see the entire background is black. And if I go back to the home screen, you can see the whole background is black and it's changed the colors to dark mode on Instagram.